guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great and you all are safe at home. I'm back with another video. So this time I'm gonna talk about my top 5 or top 6 favorite products which retails under ₹100. Only few, like 1 or 2 product is little bit pricey, like 110 or 120, something like that, but I'm 110% sure you will get that products under ₹100. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into it. So let's talk about the very first product, so which is Pantene Pro Vitamin Open Hair Miracle with Pro Vitamin Oil Replacement. So let me tell you guys, this particular product has multi-purpose uses. Let me tell you. So you can use it as an oil replacement, you can use it as a serum, you can use it as a conditioner, you can also use it as a heat protectant or hair styling cream. I think it is so, like, it's such a good multi-purpose product. This particular product is saving you a lot of money and it is so affordable. Like, it's only for 90 rupees, that too for 80 ml. Again, good quantity at a good price. I mean, yeah, you should definitely get this one. Definitely repurchase this one. You can already see the condition of this tube. It is already empty. So the second product is Alps Goodness Tea Tree Essential Oil. So let me tell you guys, this essential oil has really helped to reduce my razor bumps. So I was really facing this issue of getting razor bumps after shaving my body, but I started using this one. I just put 2 to 3 drops in bucket of water and I don't get any razor bumps. So if you are like suffering from any sort of infection or fungal infection or razor bumps, you should definitely try this one. And also I use this in my oil. I also use this with my shampoo because it is really good in providing strength to your hair. And it's winter season. You will definitely, I think you guys are also facing like hair fall issues and all. So I think it will really help you out because it has really reduced my hair fall to some extent, I can say. So I think definitely a must buy again. And also if you want to clear your skin, like acne issues and all, definitely get your hands on this. It's a little bit pricey, like it's 135, but I got this one for ₹101 or something. So definitely you are going to get at the same price or maybe even lesser than that because purple.com always runs some sort of sale. So yeah, definitely check this one. Third product is this Alp Goodness Sea Salt Exfoliating Manicure and Pedicure Kit, and this retail for ₹145. Okay, don't come on me. Let me tell you, I got this one for ₹110 or 115 something, and to be very honest, 10 to 15 rupees आप भी adjust कर सकते हो. I know this thing, and why I'm including this one, like you will get your pedicure and manicure done just for ₹120 or 130 maybe, and I'm definitely sure you will get this product less than that. This thing includes 5 steps, which contains salt for soaking, second is cuticle cream, third is scrub, fourth is massage, and last one is mud mask. So total its weight is 34 gram and the packet individually weighs 6 grams. So I think it's a really good quantity. Definitely say this guys that it's a good quantity for a single use also, like you can properly cover your hand and feet both. And this one is the sea salt variant. If you don't want this one, they have a lot of variant. Again, you can go and check and buy according to your preferences. It has really good ingredients. It has lemon oil, orange oil, sea salt, cocoa butter. So yeah, definitely get your hands on this. I think you should definitely check this one. It's very inexpensive. Like manicure and pedicure are too expensive to be very honest, but this thing is really inexpensive. So yeah, definitely check this one out. Now fourth product is this nail paint from NY Bay. As we were talking about manicure and pedicure, so we need a nail paint, like a good quality nail paint, that too under a good budget. So this one is NY Bay nail paint, nail enamel. So this is in the shade Hot Dog, and let me tell you guys, I really love the color. I mean, it's a very cool undertone and it's a very muddy sort of a shade, but I really love this nude shade. Amazing formula. I mean, it lasts for I think around 4 to 5 days and uske baad it starts like chipping and all, but I think I really found this one very inexpensive and very good quality. I think it's for ₹55 or 65, I don't know. I will leave the picture here, and also I will tell you for how much I got this one. And yeah, amazing product. So if you are a nail paint lover, definitely check this one out. Next product is again from Alps Goodness. This one is their Multani Mitti powder, and this one retails for ₹55, which is so cheap. And why I'm suggesting you to check this one out, it's an amazing Multani Mitti. It is just for ₹55 and I think it's a good quantity. Also, you are getting 50 gram of product, so you can again use this Multani Mitti for your face pack, for your hair pack. It's coming soon, so I think this is a must thing. Then only you will get get that Diwali glow up of facial or face pack, whatever you are considering it. So definitely you can check this one out. Product is again from NY Bae. It's their NY Bae, the big apple of my eye kohl, in the color white. So it's very difficult to find a white kajal, like a good white kajal. It's very easy to get black kajal, but it's very difficult to get white kajal. Like, you know, it should be creamy and it should be pigmented, it should be water resistant all. And this kajal is like, it really falls under all that categories. It's really creamy, it's really pigmented, and it comes in this retractable thing. I mean, amazing. And you can see it's very creamy. Like, can you see that? It's very creamy. I have very watery lower line, whatever you can say. So this thing really stays in that condition. To be very honest, I have wore this kajal for more than 5 to 6 hours and it is not at all itchy, not at all irritating. So definitely a must buy, and it's very inexpensive. I think it's again under rupees 70 or 80, something like that. I will give you the exact price. So yeah, definitely get your hands on this if you love white kajals. So this one is for you. Also, this kajal like claims like it's water resistant, smudge resistant, highly pigmented. I agree to that. Easy application, I agree to that. Very lightweight again. Also smudge resistant, it is smudge resistant, you can see. So I think it falls under all the categories. I mean, it does what it claims. So definitely get your hands on this. So this one is the NY Bae matte lipstick. You are getting 4.2 gram of product. And let me tell you, I got this one for under rupees 80 again. But I think it retails for something around 110 or 115. Again, I will leave the exact price and you don't need to worry. You will definitely get this one under rupees 100. Shade Sin Fled Away 13 NYBMLS13. It's a very nudish brownish color. I mean, and it's very creamy, and the shade itself is so pretty. I can't even tell you. It has a little bit of mauvish undertone, and I think this is going to suit on every skin tone. For dusky skin like us, I think it's a perfect nudish brown color, and it will definitely not wash you out, and I think that's the plus point. So, and it's very creamy formula wise, it's very lightweight and it's very comfortable, and for winter I think it's a very good formula. But finally I got my hands on this, and I'm gonna definitely check the other shades, and I really love it. So if you want to get your hands on some lipsticks, like good affordable lipstick, definitely check this one. If not this shade, you can definitely go for other shades. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you really found this one helpful. Like, I'm someone who really wants to get good products under a good budget and without compromising with the quality. And yeah, so I'm just sharing all this thing with you, and I hope you guys like this one. So if you did, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and also don't forget to press the notification bell icon, because I am posting content every week now. I don't want you guys to miss any content of mine. And thank you so much for taking out your precious time and watching me. It really means a lot to me. And yes, till then, stay happy, stay positive, and be kind to everyone and yourself too. And thank you so much for watching me again.